Keister explained that her comments angered the defendant, and he proceeded to throw a blanket over her and throw items at her, which she believed to include heavy singing bowls and a magic 8-ball. Keister explained that when she took the blanket off of herself, the defendant, this being Styx, was holding his firearm and had it pointed at her. Styx then cocked the trigger, but advised she did not know much about firearms. Keister stated the defendant told her he would shoot her dead. Keister stated her mindset was if she was going to die, she was going to die. She then stood up and told Tarl to do it, which I interpreted to mean telling the defendant to, in fact, shoot her. The defendant did not shoot her, proceeded to sit down, and Keister went upstairs and cried. The defendant said he was going to leave, and Keister told him he needed to calm down before he did anything. Keister told the defendant she should be calling the police, but she did not. Then Tarl proceeded to sob and pointed the firearm at his own head. Okay? So continuing.
This is actually a crazy story. Rehearing the entire story now, like in one shot.
She stated when the firearm went off, so he accidentally fired the firearm while he was drunk out of his mind. The defendant's parents were downstairs in the basement because he lives with his parents. Okay. After the firearm went off, the defendant's father came in the room to ask what happened as he heard a ruckus, and the defendant told his father he misfired his firearm. Keister stated after this, the defendant tried to stand up, but due to his level of intoxication, he was unable to and immediately fell. So he was in violation of his probation as a result of this, and they stacked a bunch of charges on him, negligent discharge of firearms, this and that, and he was facing 16 and a half years. Now, whether he was going to end up doing 16 and a half years, probably not. He was probably going to plead it down. But he refused to show up to court. He made a bunch of excuses saying he had a stroke, he couldn't show up to court, whatever. And the judge had enough and issued a bench warrant for his arrest, right? Now, ever since then, he's been on the run from the law. Ever since I'd say about February, he's been on the run from the law because they're just going to immediately put his ass.